welcome to your week 8 writing lesson for Monday. Today we are learning to link ideas together, and you will be successful when you can write two or more sentences that make sense together. So we are going to be writing about our weekend. All right. Now always remember these special things up here: full stop or full stops if you're writing more than one sentence, capital letter. Does it make sense? So when you're all finished writing your sentence, go back and reread. Sound, talk any unknown words, and you must have your finger spaces so it doesn't look like one big word. Here are the popcorn words that I'm going to use. You really need to make sure that you know how to write these and read them as well. So if you don't, make sure you keep practicing that. Okay, we always start with on the weekend. Capital letter for the start of your sentence. On, finger space. Remember, your fingers are smaller than mine, so use 2 or 3 fingers. The weekend. And on Seesaw, I am also going to have a little word bank for you of some words that you can use as well, such as weekend. On the weekend, I went for or a long remember that sound from letters and sounds. Long bush sh. That's a bit funny because the U isn't making its normal sound, it's making a sound. Sh. So that's a bit tricky. That word will also be in your word bank as well. So, on the weekend, I went for a long bush walk with my one of our popcorn words, family. Tricky because again the Y is not making its usual sound. Alright, that's my first sentence. On the weekend, I went for a long bushwalk with my family. It. So remember, capital letter because it's the start of a new sentence. It was so nice. Nice. It has silent E at the end. It was so nice to get outside. Sorry guys, where am I up to? It was so nice to get outside because BECAUSE, it was such a beautiful day. Again, I know that some of these words are quite tricky, so some of the words that are tricky will be on your word bank. And I'm actually going to change my full stop and I'm going to use an exclamation mark. So it was so nice to get outside because it was such a beautiful day. If you would like to keep going to add more ideas, you can. You don't have to. You can write 1 sentence, you can write 2, you can write 3, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to write 1 more, or maybe 2 more actually, on the, can we squeeze that in there? Yeah, on the walk, on the bushwalk, I saw an amazing colourful bird. So I've got lots of descriptive language in here, okay? Beautiful, long, amazing, colourful. I'm describing what I'm seeing. On the bushwalk, I saw an amazing, colourful bird. I could not believe it because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, I had run out of room. Never seen, eaten anything like that before. Or all right. Whoa, that is a lot of writing. Okay. On the weekend, I went for a long bushwalk with my family. It was so nice to get outside because it was such a beautiful day. On the bushwalk, I saw an amazing colourful bird. I could not believe it because I had never seen anything like that before. So I have told you what I've done, I've told you what I've seen, I told you how the day was, so make sure you add as many ideas as you can, and I can't wait to see your writing. Go over to Seesaw for your task. Bye.